God with us. There is a friend that sticketh closer than a brother. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 24. How many lonely people there are today. God did not create man to live in miserable inner loneliness. In that first Eden, God himself came down to keep the man he had made from being lonely. One of the most heartening things Jesus said to his disciples was, "Lo, I am with you always, even unto the end of the world," Matthew 28:20. He came to restore fellowship between man and God, and to take away human loneliness. Jesus Christ will take away loneliness from your soul. He will be your companion and friend. Prayer for the day. You want to fill all the lonely moments, Lord, and turn them into times of incredible delight. May I never fear loneliness again.